Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you, along with demonstration, what exactly happens when you start treating your hair like your skin. Yes, you heard that right. A lot of you ask me, how did I turn around my postpartum hair? And that's what exactly I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. If you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Do also make sure you hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram. And now, without further ado, let's quickly dive right into it. So here's a thought. Why do we obsess over our skincare routine so much and treat our hair like an afterthought? Honestly, I took my hair for granted too post-pregnancy. They became so dry, brittle and frizzy, to sum it up, supremely damaged. And that's when I realized that I need to start treating my hair with the same care as I do for my skin. So think about it for a moment. In skincare, you cleanse, treat, hydrate and protect, right? Your hair have the same needs. Now you must be thinking, what am I talking about? But hang on for a moment and consider this. Your shampoo is like your cleanser, your hair mask is like your moisturizer, and your leave-in treatments are somewhat like your sunscreen, which not just help seal in the moisture, but also help protect your hair from damage. And honestly, when I started treating my hair like my skin, everything changed. My hair became a lot more stronger, shinier, and a lot more healthier. And that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video in 3 simple steps using a range that my hair pro very highly recommended to me. This is the L'Oreal Professionnel Absolut Repair Molecular range, which consists of a shampoo, mask, and a leave-in treatment. Now, these 3 simple steps can transform your hair care routine into something your hair will thank you later. Let's dive right into it. Let me explain it to you, how to use these products and how to incorporate these 3 simple steps in your hair care routine. The first step is to cleanse with the L'Oreal Professionnel Absolut Repair Molecular Shampoo. This isn't just any shampoo. It's formulated with a patented peptide bonder and 5 amino acids to repair your hair's macromolecular structure. What does that mean? Your hair becomes stronger with improved elasticity and movement. Step 2 would be to treat with the Absolut Repair Molecular Mask. This is like a hydrating moisturizer for your hair, deeply nourishing and repairing damage. It's packed with amino acids, glycerine to lock in moisture and smooth every single strand. Apply this from mid-lengths to ends and let it work its magic for smooth, shiny and manageable hair. I like to leave it in for 8 to 10 minutes for that extra boost of moisture for my dry, frizzy hair. Step 3 would be to protect with the Absolut Repair Molecular Leave-In Treatment. Think of this as your sunscreen for your hair. It's loaded with peptides and amino acids to restore strength and elasticity while protecting your hair from environmental damage. Use this on damp or dry hair to seal in moisture, reduce frizz, and add that perfect finishing touch. So what happens when you treat your hair like your skin? You get stronger, healthier, and more radiant hair that you love running your fingers through. Honestly, I loved this range for it stood on its claim. It claims to reduce 2 years of hair damage in just 1 wash. Even though I've used these products for more than 1 wash to test them out, I felt the change in my hair in 1 wash. They were so much more smoother, shinier, and I could feel that my hair are a lot more frizz-free and just generally a lot more healthy, and I can feel that they are a lot more manageable. I can run my fingers through them. I haven't combed for a while. I have been filming and I don't see any tangles. Just love how super soft my hair feel, and I have dry, high porosity, very frizzy hair. Also, it keeps the frizz at bay even until your next wash, which in my case is always the 3rd day. I think if you're looking for a range that truly works, I cannot recommend these products enough. They are that good and totally worth every single penny. So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and were able to put together a hair care routine that will work for your hair. Until I see you next, take good care of yourselves. Lots of love. Bye-bye.